Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O. Back at it again with another review. You can see I got this, man. I'm just lounging today. This is my lounge clothes. But we got another one. This is a Legacy 312. They did a drop last weekend, 3 colorways. I picked one. Hopefully we got the right box this time, so we're gonna find out together. So let's see if they did me right this time. I don't know if you've seen the video, but the last video I did on the Legacy 312 pickup, it actually wasn't from Nike, it was from Sneaker Politics. And they gave me a black Jordan box, the normal black Jordan box with the gold logo. They said sometimes they don't get the right boxes. Nike sends them black boxes, but it looked a little sketchy. No knock to them. I sent it back. So let's see here. This came from Nike though. Yeah, right box. That's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? That's all I wanted. Right box. Here we go. I don't know what that is. Some type of shit on the box. But yeah, here we go. Classic blue box, just done. You know what I'm saying? You can see that the corner, just done. Got the Jordan wing, Jordan logo all on the side of it. You can see that. Let's get down to it. Jordan Legacy 312. I got the Medicine Ball colorway. Yeah, these are nice. They must have been cramped up inside there, bent a little bit, but yeah, these nice, man. I wanted this shoe. This shoe is hard, man. And it say on the tongue, if you can see it, it says just done. You know what I'm saying? Instead of the normal Jordan Nike logo, these joints are hard. Hard. You know, I haven't said that in a minute. These are hard, man. I've had a few of my friends like, man, you like this ugly ass shoe? Shoe ain't ugly, man. The shoe is hard. The shoe is hard. I rocks with it. Big time. Like, yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then it come with an extra lace. Come with some brown laces. You know what I'm saying? Damn, they got these shoestrings on here tight. That's what's squeezing this damn shoe in. Loosen these strings up a little bit, man. You got these strings tight on here. But yeah, these are hard. Yeah, I like these, man. I like that color. You know what I'm saying? This shoe, in my opinion, I know usually brown is like a winter fall shoe, but honestly, man, you can wear this shoe in any weather. Sun is out, you can wear some shorts with this joint. Nice brown polo, white polo. So you really can even get away with a blue polo, navy blue polo, you know what I'm saying? And just set this joint off, man, with some nice shorts. Yeah, these right. I'm gonna have to put my foot in and break it in on these sides. They got these laces so tight, they squeezing the life out these mugs, man. But yeah, these hard retail with $160. I like these, and this leather on the actual brown part, it's not a tumble leather, but the smell of it has a leather, like a genuine leather smell to it that's normally different from other ones. You know, the ones you just smell a little material, but these, yeah, it has like a strong, like almost a genuine leather smell to it. These joints are nice, man. I like the detail in them. And here where this tongue is the not 3M, the nubuck or suede. It feels like it could be more suede or nubuck, goes either way maybe. But the materials, I like this. I like this joint. This joint is hard. And now, when they first rolled out the colorways of these, I was like, yeah, I don't know. These look kind of weird. But then I started seeing them a little more in other YouTubers' videos, and I was like, nah, these are hard. Them green ones, I really wanted to go. The first release, the ghost green and the blue ones, either one, I wanted them both. Like I said, I had the situation with Sneaker Politics. But these are hard. Now, what I would like to see, and which I probably wouldn't cop because I got the shadows, but I would like to see them do like the shadow gray and black version of this, kind of like a Bo Jackson, like the Bo Jacksons or something with the SC trainer with strap. That would be hard. I think the next pair they got coming out is like red, black, and white. I might get those too, but I love these. I love this colorway. These are hard. These are definitely gonna get put on ice for a little bit. I'm not in a rush to throw those on. I'm gonna sit them on ice. But yeah, these are dope. So if you like the review, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. I don't know what's coming up next that I got my eyes on. Well, I'm trying to go after those Pharrells, the human race this weekend. I'm crossing my fingers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all cross y'all fingers for me. Hopefully I can pull that off. Yeah. Hopefully I can pull those off. And they dropped the Flyknit 3s today. I don't like those. I'm cool on them. They're not ugly. They just not for me. And then they're dropping a Jordan IE joint this week. I think tomorrow or Friday or something. In 3 different colorways. Those are not for me. The Volt ones are kind of nice though. I can't front. Those Volt ones are kind of nice, but I doubt I cop them. Highly doubt I cop them. And then the Raptor 4s. Not copping those neither. I don't have a problem with them. Not copping them. If they still on Swoosh, I'll probably hit up one of my people and see what's up. See if I can make that happen. But for the most part, I'm good. Got what I really wanted. Like I said, I got these. I got my He Got Games. That's pretty much what the main shoes I really desired. And maybe I may get a pair of Vapor Max in the near future. And maybe another pair of 270s. But that's about it, man. Hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to like the page. You know what I'm saying? Share this shit with your family and friends. That's pretty much it for releases, man. I'm really trying to think of what's coming out. You know what? To be honest with you, I just might get those International 5s. I'm starting to kind of like them the more I see them. That sail color, it's not a plain white, it's a sail, so it's kind of like a cream color, and it like have a good leather, a tumble leather quality on them. I might get those. They come out next weekend. I might get those. Them 5s look kind of nice. But that's pretty much that, man. Till next release, y'all be cool.